You joined me on another cycle ride. Today we're heading for Broadway. It's 14 miles return. We've just left the A46 and started a descent. We've levelled off a little bit before we start to climb again. This is usually a very quiet road. We're a mile and a half into the ride so far, and we just started to climb again. Oh, it's quite a steep little climb, this one. Whew. My legs are starting to burn, possibly because of yesterday's cycle ride. We're just entering Mount Pleasant, which is a cluster of houses around a farm. We get a nice little downhill run now. Beautiful view of Broadway ahead, the hill that is, and the tower, although I doubt if the GoPro will pick that up. GoPro stop recording. Beautiful view of the escarpment as we reach the 3 miles into the journey. Just had another small climb. We are now going to enjoy the downhill stretch. See what speed we can get in this one. We've got a headwind. "17 miles an hour. It's a very cold wind, that is. Whoa. Fellow cyclist wrapped up. Just entering Charles Wickham. That's a 4-mile stage of the ride. Oh, this wind is so strong I can barely make 8 miles an hour.